With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, let's start the question. Question says that plot A and B represents the variation in charge with potential difference across the combination of series and parallel of two capacitors. Then find the values of capacitance of capacitors. Okay, so in this question the variation of charge and potential difference is given across the combination of capacitors having series combination and parallel combination. So we have to find out which one is for series and which one is for parallel, and also we have to find out what is the capacitance of capacitors. Okay, so if we consider the series capacitors series combination, let's consider the series combination first. So if the capacitors are connected in series, let's say this is C1 and this is C2, so C equivalent will be equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2. And if we write for parallel combination, let's say this is capacitor C1 and this is C2. Okay, so C equivalent for this combination will be C1 plus C2. So we know that in parallel combination the capacitance is more. So if we write the formula for charge in capacitor, that is Q equal to C equivalent into V, then definitely the charge on parallel combination will be more. Okay, will be more. So if we see the graph, we can see that the A having more capacitance on 10 volt. So this the A is for parallel and B is for series combination. Okay, now we have to find out C1 and C2. So if we use this formula, then for parallel combination we can write for parallel combination we can write Q equal to C equivalent into V, and Q equal to C equivalent is C1 plus C2 into V. So if we put the value, Q is 500, C1 plus C2, and V is 10. So C1 plus C2 will be 50 microfarad. Okay, now if we find for the series one, for series combination, again we can write Q equal to C equivalent into volt. So we can write Q equal to C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V. So if we substitute the value, Q is 80, C1 into C2 divided by C1 plus C2 we already found out, and that is 50 microfarad. So we can write 50 into V, which is 10. So from this question we can find out C1 into C2, which is 14 microfarad. Okay, so now we got two equations. Now We go to equation C1 into C2 equal to 400 microfarad, and for C1 plus C2 it is 50 microfarad. So if we see the options, C1 plus C2 must be 50 microfarad, and C1 into C2 equal to 400 microfarad. So if we see the first option, this sum is 50, that is okay, but if we see C1 into C2, it is not 400. So if we see the second option, the sum is 40, that is C1 plus C2, and C1 into C2 is 400. So this is the correct option. And if we check for other two options, we will also find out that C1 into C2 will not be equal to 400. So our correct answer is option B. So we can write correct answer is 10 microfarad and 40 microfarad. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.